Yep, hair look crazy, but it's okay. Because there's been so much other crap going on today. I did some things this week. And everything all on my darn files went. That sun kicking like kung fu. Ooh, 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 too great. But we got a mayday with her. Mayday with her and with him. I don't know why I call him a him, but he got me really toasted. Cause what he does is let's brighten this up. Bang bang. See, what he does is that key. Let's see if you can get a bang bang. Let's see if we get a right yaddy. Ooh, somebody playing with that. But well, let's see if we can get some light, cause you might need that. We're gonna go back. Now look at that key. I don't know if y'all can see the deal. I can't get it to sit for real. But key don't turn back. So my suggestion is, yep, I'm about to get into it right now real fast and in a hurry. Yes, sir. I'm recording. First thing I do is take off the telescopic arms. Thank God I'm recording, so I should remember where exactly they were at. I should put a mark right there so that remind me that I'm right here. Hold on, guys. Next, I want to get this clip off. Of course, I ain't using the right tool, so kids, don't do this at home.
Figure it out?
I just got the wrong tool. I'm just trying to use a flathead screwdriver.
Jump back for that clip? That metal ring?
We'll get back. All right, now let's get it out with something a little better.
No, I gotta go.
Uh-oh. If I didn't have the phone as a light, I'd have had it out. Forget the camera. 2 seconds it was off. Well, I'm trying my best, folks. Make it so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Let me get these bolts up out of here. And that ring. Ain't nobody getting married unless I'm marrying the game. Did it take that bolt off that quick? Yes, it did. This little thing got some power. I shouldn't be giving you a shout out, Matco, but $310. How we gonna do this, folks? We gotta find something to pull this with. We're back. Alright, here go the truth. I knew I didn't have no steering wheel puller, so I had another technique, and it could have went really good or it could have went really bad, but I ain't want y'all to see it. But me being me, to work. So all I'll do is fairly easy. Doing, doing, doing. Something popped out behind it, but steering wheel off. Whoa, yep. Fun, 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 folks. Fun, fun, fun. I went through a maniac without having the tools to get the clip off from right here, but I did get it. So, take that out. And then you get to there. This one you gotta thank the landlord on. Mr. Sir. I mean, he told me he knew somebody that knew somebody that knew somebody. I don't know nobody. So let's go with it. Hazard. Y'all ready, folks? Oh, that was a screw, but it's y'all can see in that corner right there, it's a Allen Jones, and that's what you gotta get out to get that ignition out. Yes, sir. So let me get that. I got to messing with the center photographies, but y'all peep my background. Look at that. That's what y'all getting, cause there's my sunshine. It's not gone. But if you notice, guess what? I got light without no generator running. Round of applause. Thank you. Guess what else I got? Yes, I did. I went and took me a little rag and come back bearing some gifts. Yes, I did. So let's see what old Santa Claus brought back to town. Look at my son like, whoa. But, you know, first, dang, they bags are just sour, but, you know, shout out to the Bell Wheezy. I need to find out why our focusness don't come in. Damn, some focus. 'Cause I got no idea why. But I come bearing some gifts. First gift the old key. Because, and the new one is right there. Right there. Now, what do we have here? We have some wires hanging off. Crap. So that means that, wait a minute. What's going on with my focusness? Damn, son. Damn, son. Look at that key. Why ain't it focusing? That's terrible. God. So I tried to get my autofocus to say, God darn, that looks so much better. So this is the new key. The problem is with the new key, let me see if I can pull the key to its twin somewhere. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. Happy birthday to my daughter. Sorry I ain't at home. Daddy out here roughing it. Trying to make sure you have a nice weekend. He gonna sacrifice Friday. But my ignition jacked up on this car, remember? Now, this is what I was talking about. Okay. Here's the key. See the chip? Oh my God, what did I do to it? But see the chip? So what do? I went and bought a new ignition, but what I did was I cut this piece off, which hooked right there. I cut it off. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take the old ignition with the stuck key in it, hook it back up to the wire that I cut off, and plug it back in under the dash. And that should bypass the VATS. Yeah, mad geniusness, I know. I could have took the key, soldered it. I ain't about to do that. It's the middle of the night, and I'm in a darn bind. I ain't about to solder. This'll be just fine. Watch. Running though. And that's thanks to that VATS bypass. See the key? I don't even get the key in ignition. We got the Wandy Dandy Bandy. Slide. It's almost 3 o'clock in the morning. I Had to get it done. I'm tired. Now I want to see if she's starting. If she start, I'm going to bed. Well, I guess this battery ain't holding up too well, but we did get a crank. That was the most important part. Let's get the phone out. I want to start it for my battery die. It's alive. Subscribe to your boy Billy Clinton. I'll show y'all how to replace the VATS and all that. My battery about to die. Matter of fact, I didn't replace the VAT. My ignition broke, so I used the ignition to bypass the VATS because it's still down there hooked up right here. And if this ain't hooked up, it will not work. Key, look.